This is EBT shutdown 2 video. Education 2. Jet engines, right? So I'll give you the basic functions of the basic understanding of a jet engine. Today we're going to talk about the front section. The fan section. That includes the front frame, the inlet guide vanes, the inlet guide vanes for the fan, the fan blades, and the shaft. This is going to be for a fan engine, for a jet turbofan engine, non-afterburning. Fan's job is to bring in the air via the rotors and the stators for the compressor section and the bypass ducts. Now, the bypass ducts can vary from small from long to extra, like small, like about the size of the engine itself. Now, the bypass duct's job is to provide coolant air for the compressor, because basically what it is compressors basically compressing all that air and to provide extra thrust. Basically cooling and a little bit extra thrust, and to help the compressor a little bit. Take some of that pain, ease some of that weight off the compressor. Now, here's where we get into the rotor stator assembly. In the front of the fan, there's inlet guide vanes that turn to basically pre-swirl the air. So when the air goes in and it is getting sucked in, the engine's turning, it sends to the air the direction that the fan blades are spinning. It sends the air in the direction the fan blades are spinning, which basically helps the fan blades. Then after that, after it gets past the fan blades, it goes to another section of stators, which basically straightens the air out again, and then sends it to the next stage of fans to go back to get compressed a little bit more. It happens about anywhere between 3 to 6 times, maybe more, based on the aircraft, based on the engine. Again, I say this word again, you're going to hear this a lot, based on the engine. You're going to, Now, once you get past the last stage, it gets sent either one of 2 places. It's going to get sent either through the bypass duct, providing cooling for the compressor and any other components after that, or the afterburner, or it gets sent into the compressor itself. Now, at cruising altitude, for a specific planes, based again, I'm going to say this again, based on the specific model of aircraft and engine, there's this thing called a front frame, or a front frame if the engine has it, or the cowling, or front cowling, or the anti-icing system. You're going to get that. You're going to learn about that in the compressor section. Because the anti-icing usually takes the bleed air from the compressor section to the fan, or to the fan blade, to the cowling, or to the front frame, which keeps the base plane from sucking in ice. This is video number 2 when it comes to the aircraft, to jet engines. Next video, we're going to be talking about the compressor section. Video after that, we're going to be talking about the conjunction between the compressor section and the fan. This is Red Pill in the Wind, signing off.